see a lot of people with this lift, and they have a problem with it leaking and or not working. And I think this is a solution. Anyway, the first thing you want to do is jack it up, but jack it up if you can to the middle setting and put that safety bar in there. Make sure you got the safety bar in there. This is model number 91764 from Harbor Freight. And I'm just going to show you real quick about how to repair it. This one has run out of oil, and I believe it's because the piston here has a bad seal on it. So we're going to take it apart. So first thing you want to do is pull out the safety clip. Put your hand underneath here and pull out the pin. And you pull out the pin, this will drop to the ground. Make sure not to pinch your fingers. You can push it to the side and then pull the piston out. It should come out. And in this particular case, if you look closely, you can see that seal is pretty much done for. It's cracked in half, dried out, and needs to be replaced. The replacements I got are from a place called O-Rings and More, and here's the size. You can see it. It says they're 5 by 12 by 6 U-cut seals, and I bought 2 of them just in case. That's what they look like. And I'm going to replace it, and then we're going to refill it and see if it works. As you can see, this one's pretty cracked and broken. I'm just going to peel it off of here. Hopefully just disintegrating. And see what I can do without getting it to come off. Really bad. Take a little greasy rag, clean it off really good. Get one of the new seals, and I believe it goes on flat side, so we're going to get a little oil, and we're going to put it on there so it slides on. And there it is. Going to oil it up. And then we're going to shove this thing back in there. Hopefully you can see that goes in. Push that to the side a little. Push that piston back in there. Lift this guy up. Pull it back out a little. Throw the pin through. Put on the safety clip. And then I need to refill it with oil and see if it works. Just a quick fill of oil from this syringe. You got to get yourself some jack oil. I ended up buying this particular stuff on Amazon. It was like $5 or $6. I filled it with oil. I used up the whole 12.5 ounces, and it still doesn't look like it's full. And let's see if we can jack it up and get some lift out of this thing. Alright, it seems to be working. I'm going to pull out the safety bar And the instructions say that you should lower the table fully and then make sure the piston is topped up and pump it up a few times and see if you can make it work. But it looks like we've solved the problem with this lift. Anyway, thanks for looking. Bye.